Did you know that sharks existed before trees? Yes, you heard that right. Sharks are so ancient that they were swimming in the Earth's ocean millions of years ago, before the first tree appears on the land. It sounds crazy, but sharks have been around for an incredibly long time. So, how old were sharks, and what was it like when they first appeared? The earliest shark-like animals appeared more than 400 million years ago. Scientists have found fossil evidence showing that ancient relatives of sharks were already living in the ocean during a time called the Devonian period, as looked completely different from today. There were no modern cities, no humans, no birds, and even the poorest to be known today did not exist. Now here's the really crazy part. The first true forests appeared much later than the earliest shark relatives. Some of the earliest trees appeared around 385 million years ago. That means shark ancestors were already swimming through ancient ocean before trees became common on land. Imagine going back more than 400 million years. You wouldn't see people walking around. You wouldn't see buildings, cars, or even animals we know today. Instead, the ocean was filled with strange ancient creatures. On land, plants were slowly developing into large forms. Sharks and their relatives were already part of this ancient underwater world. But here's something important. The sharks living today are not exactly the same sharks that existed hundreds of millions of years ago. Sharks have changed and evolved over time. Many ancient shark species disappeared, while other groups survived and continued evolving. The sharks we see today are the results of billions of years of evolution. One reason sharks are so interesting is their incredible ability to survive. Earth has gone through massive changes during their history. There have been huge climate changes, rising and falling sea levels, and several mass extinction events. Many species disappeared forever. But sharks continue to survive and adapt. And no, sharks are not just giant monsters from movies. There are actually more than 500 known species of sharks, and they come in many different shapes and sizes. The whale shark, for example, is the largest fish in the world, while some shark species are small enough to fit in your hands. Another amazing thing is that sharks don't have bones like humans. Their skeletons are made mostly of cartilage, the flexible material found in the parts of your nose and ears. This makes their bones lighter and flexible, which help many sharks to move efficiently through the water. And here's one more crazy fact. Sharks are older than dinosaurs too. Dinosaurs appeared roughly 290 million years ago, while shark ancestors were already around more than 400 million years ago. So when dinosaurs eventually appeared on Earth, sharks' relatives had been swimming in the oceans for a very, very long time. So the next time you see a shark, remember this: you are looking at an animal group with an incredible ancient history. Sharks survived long before trees, long before dinosaurs, and long before humans ever existed. They have survived for hundreds of millions of years through a constantly changing planet. And that's what makes sharks one of the most fascinating animals on Earth.